The tax administrative measures under the tax amendment bills were up for processing in the Finance Committee of Parliament. The 8 bills include the Excise Duty Amendment Bill, Income Tax Amendment Bill, Stamp Duty Amendment Bill, Road and Safety Amendment Bill, among others. Under Clause 10 of the Income Tax Amendment Bill, which seeks to amend Section 118B of the Principal Act, the Ministry of Finance seeks to introduce a 6% withholding tax on all land transactions. The ministry wants land to be defined as a business asset. This implies that if you sell a plot of land at 30 million shillings, you will pay withholding tax of almost 1.8 million. However, MPs differed with the Finance Ministry, claiming that it will be hard to differentiate those selling land for commercial purposes from those solving personal problems.
I think this area needs to be further studied. Land is a factor of production. Land has never been considered anywhere as a business asset. Why are you now thinking you are just speculating because people have come into this business and they're making some money? You are now speculating. There's a lot of money they're earning there, and therefore you can tax.
We leave it the way it is. If you want to make changes to that effect, then define the entire business assets, but do not specify land.
Currently, under the Act, the 6% withholding tax is only levied on commercial land transactions from registered companies dealing in the property. The MPs also engaged in a serious debate on rental tax, where the Ministry of Finance is proposing that companies defer payment of their rental taxes in case they are assessed and found to be making losses. The same does not apply to individuals in the rental business. The MPs suggested this proposal to cut across.
What would happen if in the next financial year, the carried forward losses together with the current, the taxpayer is not able to offset? What would happen?
They're saying for you, whether you have a mortgage, you must pay. And now you are killing the individual in infancy, while the company will carry over that money, even if it takes 1,000 years. All of it will be what? Good. So why, if you decided that it is for an individual, let it apply to a company. If it's for a company, it applies to an individual.
I want to pray that the committee allows us implement this for at least next year. If it fails, we shall come up with another proposal that works. Because, Mr. Chairman, we have arrived at this, having tried nearly all the options available, okay, and they have not given us what we want. And we think this one can work.
The Finance Committee is still processing the tax bills. Herbert Ziwa, NTV at Parliament.